Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm going to make Sua Fa'i today, and I'm going to get my daughter to colour my hair. Just look at it. Anyway, it needs colouring. So I bought me a box so my daughter can colour my hair. Because if I colour it, I tell you what, it's going to end up like I colour my forehead instead of the hair. I've done it so many times, and I give up. That's why I go to the hairdresser. But my hairdresser has gone to a holiday. So she should, poor Kathy, be doing my hair for so long now, and she needs a break. So, what can I do? I'm looking all grey. So my daughter Hope, she's going to colour my hair, but at the same time I'm going to make, not at the same time colour my hair, but I'm going to make Sua Fa'i, guys. So, come and have a look and see what I've got. Anyway, the Seiko, you gotta put it in water, guys. You gotta put it in water to soak it. Okay. So water, Seiko. Water, Seiko. So you gotta put the Seiko into the water, okay?
There's a lot difference between the two, not much though. Lucy looks the taller.
I like a whole lot of Seiko in my Sua Fa'i, and this is the nice this is how bananas should look like when you're going to do Sua Fa'i. Then you leave it to soak for about 10-15 minutes. Then it will suck up all the water and you'll see there will be no more water. But anyway, I will soften it up, make it easier to cook faster. Okay? Now I'm going to teach you the peeling off the bananas into the pot and then boil it. I like to boil it with already boiled hot water, so it'll be faster. Get over here. Anyway, I have to put the banana, peel the banana, right? Make sure it's clean. And then you chop it up, put it in the pot.
Bring back 2 Kiwis. Bring back, of course, born in South Africa, but calls herself a Kiwi.
It's coming on.
I really wash my hands, guys. So, what you do is break it up, and while you're breaking it up, sort of give it a mash.
Hair is just seemingly getting in the way there. The referee just saying, let's just get that.
There's only a total of 5 bananas, but you know me, I prefer less bananas than the Seiko. Yeah, don't know why.
The final round of this fight,
But I just prefer it.
Hiya right back.
And then you get the boiled water. So that's boiling away, and this is still soaking. But it's really taking a lot of water. Anyway. So I'm gonna pour the Seiko in there and I won't put the whole lot in there. I know it seems like a whole lot, but it's better with a whole lot. You know? You know when you know. No. Anyway, I'll show you guys. Okay? See? So you let it boil.
Wait, Sharon, what's this on?
Who's that? Yeah, so you just let it boil, right? And then when the seiko is completely boiled through, when the seiko is cooked, then that's when you can put in the coconut cream and the milk as well. So there you go, so we'll bubble up, and I'll have to turn it down because it's a bit high. Should only be simmering right now. And that's just to cook the seiko through. You just stir this in a little bit, wait for it to, the seiko to cook properly, and then you put in your bit of milk, a bit of coconut cream, and if it's not sweet enough for you, then you put in more sugar. But that's, I love a lot of seiko, guys, a lot of seiko. And if you have some like lava, you know, bubbling, that's okay. You just have to stir it a bit and tell it to be quiet.
Can I stir it?
Yeah, you stir it. So this naughty one, they got the eyebrows done, which I'm not happy with. Yeah, go Faye for.
But what is this?
Just stir them not hard because the pot might go flying off the oven. Just stir it. That's how you make Sua Fa'i.
Oh.
That's banana, water and seiko right now. Stir the bottom because it might stick.
I don't want to stir it too hard because it might go into the oven.
I'll get this. Just in case it's going to fly off.
Oh.
See, the seiko cooks faster when you soak the seiko in cold water for about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, okay. Show you the next step soon. Put in the coconut cream. You have to shake it. Give it a good shake because in there it's like lumps and glunks and, you know, this girl here, naughty, very, very naughty. Stop it. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in the milk. So you put in the milk the amount you want, and quite a lot, quite a few. Oh, anyway, all I like, bring the camera here, sweetheart, and show them what it's turning out to be. Not me.
Oh.
Okay, have it over the pot while I stir it. See guys, look. Camera, give me the camera. Oh, this girl, she's no help, I tell her, she's no help.
I always help.
No, you're not. Anyway, look how it looks all nice and milky, milky, milk. Yeah, see? And you see the seiko banana. I know some people put vanilla, but I don't know. My mum never used to put vanilla when she made hers. It was just straight bam. Hey,
Wait.
and then I'm going to open this up and put it in the coconut cream. Look guys, you have the sweet, you have yours as sweet as you like it or not much sweetness. It's all up to you. So I'm going to pour the coconut. I'm only going to pour like halfway, half of the can, because when it's got too much coconut, it's a bit too much for me. Hey, these two there. Hey, who is it? Who is it?
Ready?
Huh?
She's ready.
Anyway, let me have a taste and see if it needs a bit of sugar. Okay, so I'm going to taste it and see if it needs a bit of sugar. Looks good, looks good. Looks good. Here guys, have a taste. You tell me if it needs a bit of sugar. I think it's going to need a bit of sugar.
Watch out, hot.
When I was a little girl, my mom made me seiko when I was little. I had a really bad fever. This was we were living in Wellington, in Pararoa. Yeah, my mom made me seiko and it tasted like the best thing ever. Get away you! You're showing people how tall I am.
Sorry.
until you grow it, but not your brain. Your brain gotta grow more before you pluck those eyebrows. And little my beat. Okay. I need sugar. Buy me sugar, my love. Tell you. Okay, guys, putting a little bit of sugar in it. I know it doesn't look like little, but hey, like I said, each to their own. It's gonna be bomb diggity. And that's it, guys. All ready to eat. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's good? Maybe, yes, no? Yeah. It doesn't matter if it doesn't have a whole lot of banana. You know, if you got banana in your cupboard and you got sago and a bit of coconut cream, little milk, you go ahead. Sometimes I add condensed milk, but we don't have condensed milk right now. Sharon does?
Yeah.
Where? Is it open?
Yeah.
Yeah, bring it. Hurry up. Squeeze some in there. Yeah,
Tell me
go.
when to stop.
Yeah, go. Just do a circle. Lava. Hurry up. Yeah. Guys, now you know the secret taste. That makes the Sua Fa'i even better. With a little bit of condensed milk, even though I've added sugar. My mum, when she used to make Sua Fa'i, she used to make sure she put so much ripe bananas that we didn't need to sugar it again. But me, I love sugar. Not a whole lot, just many, if any. Not many, if any. See, and that's it, guys. All finished, all done. Look at that. Oh, gosh. So, who's gonna make it soon? Oh, easy peasy. I'm gonna add a little bit of condensed milk to mine.
Oh, you got hit it? Yeah.
See? Hey, I've seen people at Bali do this.
That's cool.
That's how we mix it in.
Oh, yo! Oh! Right? That's right.
Better? Yeah. Give it a taste, guys. So good. But now it's time to go and colour my hair. Ding, ding.